They did that outside the market, maybe we'd
He
still be
looks-
there.
Oh, did he just throw his coffee on the
Yeah,
road?
he did.
Did you get that? Did you get that?
Oh shit.
Oh, dude.
God, he's sidestepping too.
Whoa.
Talk about singing in the rain. Oh, at least he uses the garbage
Turn him
can.
back around.
This guy
At least he uses the garbage can.
Oh shit.
Oh, here he goes. Now he's gonna do the umbrella job.
Give me some of this.
See if he can get anything up.
This guy's unbelievable.
I love it.
He's been dancing for like 2 minutes out there.
What are you talking about? He started. We saw him at fucking down Main Street. We didn't think we'd make it this far. He was dancing down.
That was unbelievable. The coffee toss. He just spin down the sidewalk was the highlight of that whole
Did
thing.
you get it all?
She
All of
got
it.
the whole thing.